How do you marble?
What do you mean, how do you marble?
Marbling
Yeah.
is a simple, effective and very pretty form of paper decoration. Let me show you exactly what I mean. If you look on the inside covers of old books, you'll see something like that. That is marbling.
Ah, I see.
OK? That is marbling. OK? If you look along the edges of old ledgers and accounts books, you'll see that. And that is marbling.
Oh, right.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, how do you do it?
Do you want to know how to do it?
Yeah.
I'll show you, because it's so simple and it's so effective that anybody could do it.
Or even you?
Even I can do it, and I've been doing it for years. All you need is a little tray of water and add to that some oil paint. So you've got to have a bit of flair and a bit of swirl. You can use ordinary powder paint if you want to and add cooking oil to it.
But it's got to be oil-based, has it?
It's got to be oil-based because
Why
you
is that?
need paint to float on the surface.
Oh, I see.
That's the crucial part of this how. Lots of splish and splosh. You need to be fairly artistic, but when you've been doing it as long as I have, it comes almost as second nature. Oh,
You
dear.
just paint on the water, Fred, and that's
You
it,
sort
is
of
it?
paint on the water, the original watercolour.
Yeah.
And if you want to achieve that stripy effect you get on the edge of a book, drag a little fork through it. But if you just want a normal common or garden effect, drop a sheet of paper, any sort of paper, on the top of the water, leave it there for a few seconds, take it off, and lo and behold, you have produced a work of art.
Very nice, Fred.
Take it away, hang it up with your other works of art, of which I have a few here, and let the whole thing dry. But what do you do with it when it is dried? Lots and lots of things. You can put the paper around boxes to make gifts more attractive. You can put it around books and diaries to make them more attractive, or around a pencil box, or even around a photo or a cartoon of a very favourite relative. There you are. That's how you marble. Marvellous, isn't it?
Marvellous.